Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Honda 3.5 V6 J35 engine is a widely used and highly regarded member of Honda's J-Series V6 family. Introduced in 1998, it has powered a vast array of Honda and Acura vehicles, from sedans and coupes to SUVs and minivans. Known for its smoothness, strong power delivery, and general reliability, the J35 has undergone several iterations, evolving with technologies like variable cylinder management, VCM, and, more recently, direct injection and turbocharging. Review and opinions. The J35 engine is consistently praised for its refined operation and robust performance. Owners often highlight its ability to provide effortless acceleration and a comfortable driving experience. Character. The J35 is known for its silky smooth operation and quiet demeanor, even under load. It's a hallmark of Honda's V6 engineering. Performance. Power output typically ranges from around 210 horsepower in early versions to over 350 horsepower in the latest turbocharged direct injection variants, like the J35 AC. Its broad torque band makes it suitable for a wide range of vehicles, offering confident passing power and ample capability for hauling. Driving experience provides a linear and predictable power delivery. While some enthusiasts might find it less sporty than high-revving four-cylinders or more aggressive V8s, its smooth nature makes it an excellent choice for daily driving and long-distance cruising. Refinement. Exceptionally refined for a V6. The 60 degrees V-angle inherently helps with balance, and Honda's design minimizes vibrations and noise, contributing to a premium feel. Advantages. Exceptional reliability and durability. With proper maintenance, the J35 is renowned for its longevity, often exceeding 200,000 to 300,000 miles, 320,000 to 480,000 kilometers. It's a testament to Honda's engineering for a naturally aspirated V6. Smooth and quiet operation. One of its strongest selling points, contributing significantly to vehicle comfort and a premium driving experience. Strong power and torque. Provides ample power for various vehicle applications, from family sedans to larger SUVs, with good low-end and mid-range torque. Proven VTEC technology. Almost all J35 variants feature Honda's VTEC system, which optimizes valve timing and lift for a good balance of power and efficiency across the RPM range. Wide availability of parts and service. Due to its widespread use over many years, parts are readily available, and most mechanics are familiar with servicing these engines. Good fuel efficiency. For a V6, while V6s generally consume more fuel than modern small displacement turbos, the J35 has consistently offered competitive fuel economy for its class, especially with the introduction of VCM and direct injection. Disadvantages. Timing belt replacement. Unlike engines with timing chains, the J35 uses a timing belt. This means a significant, costly maintenance item is due at regular intervals, typically 60,000 to 105,000 miles or 7 years, often involving the water pump replacement. Neglecting this can lead to catastrophic engine failure, bent valves, as the J35 is an interference engine. Variable cylinder management VCM issues. Specific variants. Many J35 engines, particularly J35Z and some J35A/Y series from the mid-2000s onwards, are equipped with VCM. While intended to improve fuel economy, VCM can lead to issues such as excessive oil consumption, often cited as the most common VCM-related problem, leading to low oil levels if not monitored, and potential engine damage. Spark plug fouling/misfires, due to oil burning in the cylinders that are deactivated. Engine vibrations, particularly noticeable when VCM switches between 3-cylinder and 6-cylinder operation. Carbon buildup, more prevalent in direct-injected J35Y variants, as fuel doesn't wash over the intake valves. Many owners address VCM issues with aftermarket VCM muzzlers or disable kits. Automatic transmission reliability. early models, it's crucial to distinguish between engine and transmission issues. However, some automatic transmissions, especially 5-speed units in early 2000s Honda/Acura vehicles, paired with the J35 were notoriously problematic, impacting the overall powertrain reliability perception. Later transmissions, including ZF9 speeds and Honda's own 10 speeds, have different characteristics and their own evolving reliability records. Crankshaft manufacturing defect. Specific J35Y6 variants of recall was issued for approximately 250,000 vehicles, 2015 to 2019 models with J35Y6, due to an improperly ground crankshaft that could lead to premature connecting rod bearing wear and potential engine damage. Faults and breakdowns. While generally robust, the J35 has a few well-documented issues, primarily related to VCM and standard wear and tear. VCM-related oil consumption/misfires. As detailed above, this is the most significant concern for many J35 owners. Symptoms include frequent oil top-offs, blue smoke from the exhaust, and check engine lights with misfire codes, P030X. Timing belt failure. If not replaced on schedule, the belt can snap, causing severe internal engine damage. Oil leaks. Common with age and mileage, particularly from valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, or power steering pump hoses. Starter motor failure. A common wear item on high-mileage examples, sometimes requiring intake manifold removal for access. Power steering pump noise/leaks. Some J35 applications have experienced issues with noisy or leaking power steering pumps. Crankshaft issues. J35Y6, a specific manufacturing defect that led to a recall, causing premature bearing wear and potential engine failure. Listen for abnormal engine noise. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption varies greatly depending on the specific J35 variant, the vehicle it's in, sedan versus SUV versus minivan, transmission, and whether VCM is present and functioning. Typically in the range of 10 to 12 liters per 100 kilometers, around 20 to 24 mpg US/24 to 28 mpg imperial combined. Real-world consumption heavily depends on driving style and traffic conditions. Timing. Almost all Honda J35 engines use a timing belt system. This belt is critical for engine operation and requires periodic replacement. Replacement interval. The typical replacement interval for the timing belt on J35 engines is every 7 years, or 105,000 miles, 168,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. It is strongly recommended to replace the water pump, timing belt tensioner, and idler pulleys at the same time, as they are integral to the system, and failure of any of these components can lead to timing belt failure and severe engine damage. Exception. The very latest J35Y8, found in 2023 Plus Honda Pilot, 2026 Plus Honda Passport, is a DOHC engine and uses a timing chain, making it a maintenance-free timing system. Oil. Oil type. For most naturally aspirated J35 engines, Honda generally recommends 0W, 20 or 5W, 20 full synthetic engine oil, meeting API-SN or later, and ILSAC GF5 or later specifications. For higher mileage naturally aspirated engines, some sources recommend considering a slightly thicker 0W, 30 or 5W30. For the direct injected and turbocharged J35AC, stricter specifications, e.g., requiring LSBI protection, will apply, and 0W, 20 or similar, is typically specified. Always consult your specific vehicle's owner's manual. Capacity. The oil capacity for J35 engines typically ranges from 4.3 to 5.5 liters, approximately 4.5 to 5.8 U.S. quarts, with a filter change depending on the specific variant and vehicle application. Maintenance. Regular oil and filter changes are crucial, particularly for engines with VCM, to mitigate oil consumption issues and ensure the longevity of the timing belt and other components. Following Honda's maintenance minder system or traditional intervals, e.g., 8,000 to 12,000 kilometers or 5,000 to 7,500 miles, with high-quality synthetic oil is recommended. Versions and history. The J-Series V6 engine family, designed for transverse mounting, was introduced by Honda in 1996. The 3.5 J35 quickly became a core power plant. Key design features, common to most J-Series. 60 degrees V-angle, compact and balanced design. SPHC 24-valve, single overhead camshafts per bank, exceptions for later DOHC variants. IVEC, intelligent variable valve timing and lift electronic control, often with VTC, variable timing control. On intake. Aluminum block and heads, lightweight construction. Variable cylinder management, VCM, a fuel-saving technology that deactivates cylinders under light load, introduced on many J35 variants from the mid-2000s. Direct injection, implemented in newer Earth Dreams technology J35Y variants. Turbocharging, introduced in the J35 AC for high-performance applications. Notable J35 variants and applications, non-exhaustive list. J35A series, e.g., J35A1, J35A4, J35A6, J35A8, J35A9 early to mid-2000s. Found in vehicles like the Honda Odyssey, 1999 to 2010, Acura MDX, 2001 to 2006, Honda Pilot, 2003 to 2008, Acura RL, 2005 to 2008, Acura TL Type S, 2007 to 2008, Honda Ridgeline, 2006 to 2008. Power generally 210 to 286 horsepower. J35Z series, e.g. J35Z1, J35Z2, J35Z3, J35Z4, J35Z6 mid to late 2000s, early 2010s. Many of these incorporated VCM. Used in models like the Honda Pilot, 2006 to 2015, Honda Accord V6, 2008 to 2012, Acura TSX V6, 2010 to 2014, Acura TL, non-SHAWD. Power generally 244 to 280 horsepower. J35Y series, e.g. J35Y1, J35Y2, J35Y4, J35Y5, J35Y6, J35Y8 more modern variants, often featuring Earth Dreams technology with direct injection and/or VCM. Found in vehicles from the 2013-plus model years, including Honda Accord V6, 9th/10th Gen, Honda Pilot, 2016-plus, Honda Ridgeline, 2017-plus, Honda Passport, 2019-plus, Acura MDX, 2014-plus, Acura RLX. Power typically 278 to 290 horsepower for naturally aspirated versions. J35AC, Acura TLX Type S 2021 Plus, Acura MDX Type S, the latest high-performance evolution. This is a DOHC turbocharged variant, showcasing a significant departure from the traditional SOHC naturally aspirated J-Series. Produces 355 horsepower. The Honda J35 engine's long production run and continuous refinement underscore its importance to Honda's lineup. Despite some specific issues like VCM-related oil consumption in certain versions, its core reputation for reliability, smoothness, and ample power remains strong. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.